welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to upgrade or replace the MPX video card in the 2019 Mac Pro. We've already gathered our materials, shut down and unplugged our Mac Pro, and are working on a static-free surface. We're now ready to begin. The first thing we're going to need to do is remove the outer shell. To do this, raise the circular handle in the center top of the Mac Pro, then rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. You can then use the handle to lift the cover straight up and off. To add or remove MPX cards, we're going to first need to remove this retainer bar. You can either use a small Phillips screwdriver or just use your fingers. Next, we need to unlock the card slots. Do this by moving the locking lever to the right. You'll see the latches move up into the unlocked position. Finally, we'll need to remove the retainer bar on the left by loosening these 4 captive Phillips screws. We're now ready to begin. Now that we've removed all the retainers, replacing the MPX module is fairly straightforward. To remove the old unit, simply push the dot on the right-hand side of the MPX unit to release the latch. Pull on the latch to loosen the module from its socket. Then, slide the unit out of its slot. Slide the new unit back into the slot you just removed the old one from, and push it into place until it's fully seated. If your MPX video card unit came with the Infinity Fabric Link jumper, you'll want to install that as well. On the front of the jumper, there's an illustration of the connectors and the position of the notches, which will align with the connectors on the front of the MPX unit. There is also a lock which should be set in the unlocked position, with the dot on the center circle facing the open circle on the outside. With the connectors aligned, place the jumper over the 2 connectors and push it into place. Then, secure the jumper by using a small Phillips screwdriver to turn the lock so that it aligns with a solid circle. You can also install a second MPX video card module in your Mac Pro to work alongside the existing one. The first thing to do is remove the 4 slot covers on the back of the Mac Pro. They just slide out. You should then be able to simply slide the new MPX video card into place until it seats fully. If your MPX video card unit came with the Infinity Fabric Link jumper, you'll want to install that as well. On the front of the jumper, there's an illustration of the connectors and the position of the notches, which will align with the connectors on the front of the MPX unit. There's also a lock, which should be set in the unlocked position with the dot on the center circle facing the open circle on the outside. With the connectors aligned, place the jumper over the 2 connectors and push it into place. Then, secure the jumper by using a small Phillips screwdriver to turn the lock so that it aligns with the solid circle. If you have 2 MPX video cards of the same model, you could link them together for better performance. First, you'll need to remove any existing jumper cards or connector covers, whether they are the card type jumper shown here, or the simple solid cover that blends in with the contours of the MPX unit. For the simpler covers, these just slide off, but it will be easier with the card removed from the Mac Pro. Go back to part 2 of this video for more details on how to remove and reinstall the MPX module. For the card type, all you need to do is use a small Phillips screwdriver to turn the inner circle so the dot on the inside lines up with the open dot on the outside. Then carefully pull the jumper card off its connections. Repeat this for the other card. Next, get the correct Infinity Fabric Link connector for your MPX video card model and line the two ends up with the connectors on both cards, using the illustrations on the front to make sure the card is oriented properly. Make sure the locks over both connectors are in the unlocked position, and you can press the Infinity Link sockets onto both cards' connectors. They should just slide into place. Once the Infinity Fabric Link connectors are fully seated, secure the unit into place by using a small Phillips screwdriver to turn the inner disc on each side so that the solid circles match up. Once you have your MPX units installed as you like, go ahead and replace the retainer bar on the left by simply setting the bar into place and tightening the 4 captive Phillips screws. Next, re-engage the card lock by sliding the latch back to the left. The final retaining bar has 2 gasketed holes, which correspond to 2 posts next to the rear slot openings. Slide the retainer bar over these posts, then tighten the screws to secure the retainer bar into place. Either use a small Phillips screwdriver or just your fingers to do this. You can now replace the outer shell onto the MacPro and secure it into place by rotating the center handle 90 degrees clockwise. Your MacPro is now ready to use.